Losing a loved one is painful and difficult. The memorial service is a critical part to processing grief. It allows you to celebrate the life that was lived and the joy that you shared with your loved one. Here at Jackson Lytle and Lewis, we have served this community for over 100 years. We're a life celebration center, and our goal is to provide a comfortable and safe environment for you to be yourself as you gather with your friends and family.
Our facility is the only facility in the area that can handle a large ceremony with ease. Our beautiful and spacious building was designed not only to accommodate your needs, but to ensure that no one will have to stand in the rain, the heat, or the snow to pay their respects to a family.
We are very familiar with the grieving process, and we use that experience in everything that we do. Our gathering rooms are a place for friends and family to talk and share memories. We facilitate that process with keepsake cabinets, which are custom made and allow families to display your loved one's highlights and personality. Our celebration space is elegant yet versatile, so that your service reflects the life that you are celebrating.
Sometimes grief just hits, and we believe it is important for families to have a safe haven where they can go at any time. That is why we have a private family lounge built for your comfort right down to the massage chair. We care deeply about your whole family and have a room solely outfitted for the care of your children, because we know how hard it can be for them to sit through and understand a service. The time after a celebration service is a great opportunity to visit with family and friends, and many choose to do so over a meal. That is why we offer an on-site banquet room where we can meet all of your catering needs and spare you the difficulty of moving to another location.
But all this is more than planning someone else's service. Pre-planning your own service is one of the greatest gifts you can give to your family. And it's a risk-free investment, which you can take with you wherever you go.
Throughout the process, our certified award-winning life celebrants will come alongside you and help you create the very best and most personal celebration service. We're far more than a building in which to host an event. We're at your service, and whether you're creating something for a loved one or something unique for yourself, we are here to make sure that you know what is available to you and that you get exactly what you wish.
Your goal is to honor and remember your loved one and express the joy that you shared. Our goal is to provide a safe and comfortable environment for you to do that, and it's our privilege to do so.